Hello, everybody. This is our weekly Smart Match Useful Product podcast. It's going to be about 10 minutes. And I invited today one of our amazing team members, Mikola.
You make me
Mikola,
shy,
why
Tim.
don't you Mikola, why don't you introduce yourself? I think you'll do a better job than me.
I definitely know myself better than you do, Tim. So my name is Mikola. I am working in Smart MatchApp. Tim, please correct me if I'm wrong. 4.5 years already.
Yes,
Oh
almost
my
5 years.
God, that's really a long time. And I am a senior customer success manager. So my job here is to help all our customers to set up a system as good as possible. And today we are going to present one of the interesting workflows we already tested with a few customers. And this workflow is about member portal, member introductions add-on, and automations there. So that's it, Tim.
Let's get started. Let's just get into it and show our customers what you can do.
Yep,
Show
yep,
some
yep.
magic.
Let me start with some presentation because I've been talking with a lot of clients and recognized an issue. When customers introduce two clients to each other, uh, it's a huge amount of time for them to collect the feedback, time and effort, because they do not reply to emails or text messages. They have to send follow-ups manually. They have to somehow track if this feedback was provided or not. So based on all these issues, we invented a new workflow. We already had member introductions add-on in the past, but with automations, it's now working really perfect. Let me show you. I will share my screen and I will show you how it actually works. So entire screen, give me a second. A normal process in Smart MatchApp. That's hopefully what all of our customers do, but it's not true. Unfortunately, some of them still do not use suggestions. We need to fix it. But a normal process, we go to suggestions, we refresh suggestions, and we have a best possible match on the top. Uh, we check match details for sure to actually check is it good or not. And then a next step, we create a match in the group, let's say active introductions. Why I select active? Because it will trigger an action on a backend. System will, as soon as I create a match here, system will automatically send an introduction to both Noah and Maria. If I will check the communication section, this email was failed because it's a fake email address, no worries, but both customers automatically get an intro. So that's improvement number one. No need to
And
create an.
may I
Yep,
jump in
yep.
because I know you're the senior guy here. I know you know more than me, but I have a little bit of knowledge. So this introduction template can be customized, guys.
Oh,
Okay,
yep.
so this message that you have here, we have a new match for you. This could be completely customized.
Mm-hmm.
Your logo will be there, obviously, not Smart MatchApp logo. Your branding can be all over the place, especially if you're in the premium, subscription. The complete, message can be customized. That's very important. It's automated, but you have a lot of control. And even if you click on the actual intro for a second, this entire layout, even the design can be customized as well. So all the fields you choose what to put here, what not to put here. Very important point. I
Yep,
think
yep.
hopefully most of you guys who use our system know it, but if not, that is a nice reminder.
Yep, that's true. So let me continue, Tim. Both guys immediately get an introduction of each other. And now, where is an interesting part? Start. No need for them, since they have an access to the system, they can log in to Smart MatchApp. No need for them to email you back. If they click on this link, they will have this magical button. Are you interested? And when I click this button, I can say I am interested, I am not interested. Let's use the best possible scenario. interested, I can left some comments here also.
Let's do it.
Ah, yeah. So she is so nice.
Okay. I hope you mean it.
I do. I do. So we save it. We go back. Let's assume now we go to matching. Maria also got this introduction. We go to send emails. We will check introduction on her side.
So
She can check.
now she's checking out his profile, Noah's
Yep.
profile.
Yep. And same, she has this button. Are you interested? Yep. So cool guy.
Cool. So you're just demonstrating to us from both sides. They get an intro and
Yep.
they are giving feedback.
And again, another interesting part. If I will go now to Maria or Noah's profile and I will go to matching, a match was moved from active to successful automatically. Since we have another automation on the backend, if both clients say yes, we automatically move a match.
Another automation.
Yeah, another one to a successful matches group. So no
So
need
the
to do
first
it
automation was you are moving a suggestion to a match potential introduction, or in this case,
active.
active introduction. By the way, all those groups are customizable. You can call them any way you want. And then automatically, one more time, once they gave feedback, if it's mutual, yes, it goes to successful matches. So you basically removing quite a bit of manual work here.
Yeah. System also have sent a notification to me as an agency user
That you
to let
have
me
to,
know
oh,
that
wow. Okay.
that I have a successful
So
match.
me as a matchmaker, if I was a matchmaker, I would also, on top of that, not only the match would be moved to two steps for me
Mm-hmm.
automatically, but also I would get notification there is a match with a link
Yep.
to two profiles.
Mm-hmm.
Look, if I was a matchmaker and it did all this for me, I think it's a huge. If I had to do 100, I don't know, 100 introductions a day, or if I had even to do 10 of them, I think we're talking about hours of saved time. Hours.
Definitely, Tim. Definitely. It's hours of saved time, but that's not that's not an end of this workflow. It was an ideal scenario. Both sides said yes immediately, and we have a match. But with automations, let me go to these automations and show you how it looks like. We also have created this interesting 48 hours notification to a client. It's not active here, but it's not a problem. What's going to happen? In 2 days after this introduction was sent to both clients, Smart MatchApp will check if the status of the intro was updated. If it will stay sent or opened, it means the feedback was not provided. And it could be even like 1 day reminder, then another next 2 days, 3 days, whatever. System will keep reminding your clients to provide the feedback, so no need to chase them. We will do it automatically. So what do you think, Tim? How it looks like for you as a potential matchmaker?
If and I know the world of matchmakers. I work with wonderful matchmakers many years. To me, if it's set up properly, because one of the reasons matchmakers love the manual process is because they have control over it. But
Mm-hmm.
we're not taking that control out of their process. We're just
Yeah.
automating the steps that they would do if they decided to match somebody. That's all we're doing. So if it's properly planned, and if you move a match to a certain group because you decided that you want to introduce them, all
Mm-hmm.
the other steps after that decision can be automated, manual email introduction sent out, feedback collected. You would have to do so many calls and emails back and forth to actually collect the feedback and send introductions that can be taken away. The only decision that matchmaker has to make is to, if you go back to a client one more time,
Mm-hmm.
is to decide whether, let's take any other client, or even Yeah, Adam, for example. All you got to decide as a matchmaker is to move
Let's
Esther
say
on.
Esther. Let's reproduce same.
Let's say all you got to do is open up the before you even open the um, match details first. You have to
Yep,
decide if you want to introduce them. That's the only decision you're making. So that decision is still up to a matchmaker,
that's right. That's
up to me. I
That's what
decide.
I'm telling to all of our customers. When I set up a system, when I do some presentation, like without a human touch, it will work. We can even automate the whole process completely. But
You can
without,
even estimate this movement from match details based
that's true.
on a percentage every day. And we do this for some of our non-dating customers. If it's a business introduction, maybe it's not as sensitive potentially. So it could be automated completely. Even this
Hmm.
step can be automated for everyone who is listening, guys. So you can actually automate the whole thing. You literally can do literally almost nothing as long as you have proper database. The system will do all the introductions for you automatically once a day or once a week. That's possible. But from what I know about our dating matchmakers, they prefer to control the matches. So that's the
Yeah.
only decision you have to make. Then you just say, okay, I'm gonna match Adam and Esther, just
Hmm.
because I know it's gonna be a good match,
Yep.
whatever the criteria is. And from that, as soon as you save it to an active introduction or whatever the name of the group is, you're all set. It's gonna do all the rest.
We already have an introduction email sent to Adam.
It's sent out the introduction. It collects their feedback. It
Yes.
moves them to the next group and then sends you the notification.
And a
I mean,
reminder to a client if a client didn't provide this feedback. So all this manual step, which our matchmakers always do, we can automate. And based on the feedback which we collected from a customer who's already using this workflow, it really saves hours of time during a working day.
oh yeah, if you have to make even 10 introductions a day, I can imagine we're talking about hours, especially if it's over the week, 10 every day over the week or more. That's a very, very good find. Very good, actually. I think a very good tip. So let's not overcomplicate it for
Mhm.
today. I'd like to get feedback about this video. I hope our clients love it, and then we can do more of those with you because I think you have onboarded what hundreds of customers already,
Yeah,
and you got so many 5-star reviews on Google as well. So you know what you're talking about.
I just love
Um,
my job, Tim. I just
and
love my job.
that's amazing. I okay. I think when you love your job, it doesn't even feel like a job, right?
Oh, it doesn't at all.
Mhm.
It's a pleasure.
I know
So
why your customers love you, man. That's why it's a magic, but there's no magic in the magic
yeah,
because you just love what you do.
love and care.
So,
That's all you need to do.
love and care, love and care. Let's wrap up here. What I just want to ask you at the end is if our customers are interested in this, what are those features? Where to even look? What to look for? How is it feature called, and where to find it, and
Uh,
how to
yep.
inquire how to start.
So automations can be enabled directly from the add-on sections. Automation, you go there and activate this add-on
It
here.
would be called. It would have a button activate
Yeah,
instead
it
of
will be a button activate. How you can check all available system triggers? They are on the left here. So you can scroll down the screen and see how many different triggers we have to start some automated workflows. Not only for introductions, for a lot of other stuff. And on the top, you have actions available for each of these
Now, I
triggers.
imagine our matchmakers probably will prefer to reach out to you and you can help them
Yeah,
out with this.
yeah,
I,
yeah.
I I don't think we need to, this is a whole other video to talk about
Mm-hmm,
automations.
mm-hmm,
But so this feature called automation is involved.
mm-hmm.
And
And
that
member
is,
portal, to enable member portal, our customers actually have to reach out to you, Tim, or to me, or to our support. And then, first of all, we will jump on a call before we will enable it, because I need to show everything and make sure everything will be set up properly.
Member portal they need. Did you show how what it looks like, the member portal on the
Yeah,
side of the
I think I did, but just in case, let me log in.
So member portal is not just introductions. Member portal is an access for a client to log in into this
Mm-hmm.
into their own portal.
Yeah, yeah. Tim, for our dating matchmakers, I heard a lot. They do afraid to allow customers to log in to see other profiles. So I just want to assure that with member introductions and member access, you are completely in control. If I will, oh, Esther has no access. Give me a second.
Maybe we can cover in another video.
Yeah,
Maybe.
just to
Let's
show. Oh, yeah. My God, who has access to the system? Maria. So the only thing they can see when they log in using member introduction, it's a profile introduction sent to them, and they can revisit these introductions and check their feedback provided. Here,
and
if it
that's it.
was, yeah, and that's it, and settings.
And let me ask you, so you have success with this workflow, especially for the dating industry, correct?
Yes, I do.
That
And
was your idea. It was your idea to present it to them because a lot of our matchmakers probably should know about these wonderful workflows, right? Dating,
yeah,
especially.
it was based on my experience and requests from customers to somehow automate this feedback collection, reminders, and so on. And now we have a complete workflow where
All
each
right.
of the steps is covered.
Can you just go back to one more time to profile? So it's amazing if you go to the profile, they can log in here. They can use Profile Wizard to complete their profiles,
Mm-hmm.
upload their photos or videos, and then just receive introductions. I
Yeah,
think
and
there is.
just in case, Tim, sorry for interrupting you, it's completely customizable. Which criteria they will see when they will log in under the profile, and also which criteria will be editable and which will not be editable. So
Okay.
it's everything can be customized. So no worries. If you just want to show the customers how the profile looks like, you disable editing for each of these criteria, and they will be able to log in and check the profile. That's all, and see introductions.
Perfect. Okay, so let's wrap up. Let's stop the screen sharing and just do the wrap up for this video. First of all, I want to thank you for sharing this. This was great. I don't think I could do it ever on my own. That's the whole idea.
Yeah.
So let's just invite everyone, all of our wonderful clients, to come to request a free discovery call on our
Mm-hmm.
website. You just have to go to contact us page. It's very
Mm-hmm.
easy, and request a free discovery call with
Mm-hmm.
Mikola, and you will you will really see in action how this works, and you can even get a free trial, I believe, right? A free trial
Yeah.
for
That's what we do. I always enable free trial for the member portal to allow our clients to play around, to test this feature. So no need to pay upfront. As soon as you will realize it works and it works great, then we will be talking about money.
amazing. So let's just hope that you guys take advantage of this offer. Thank you very much for your time. And if you like this kind of content, just let us know, and
Mm-hmm.
we will do more. Thank you.
Yep, it's a pleasure to share this interesting workflow. So let's do it again, team. Have a nice day,
Absolutely.
everybody.
You too. Thanks very much.
Bye bye.